Alright guys, what is async and await? Let me show you in an example. Okay, I want to change this into async and await because maybe this is very hard for someone who doesn't know how you can use it, and he can use async and await with it. You can write a function, for example, my function, and after this you can write async like this, and inside of this you can write your first function. Let me save it into getup equal to await and get up like this. Now I want to write console.log get up like this. Let's see. The other function is go to a school equal to await go to school console.log go to school like this. The other thing is let come back equal to await come back function console.log. Inside of this you can write come back, and now I want to delete all these like this. My function. Now let's see. It says anchor and promise reference and access. You have to remember that your name with your function name should be different. Let's write result, and let's change this into result. Go to school result, change this into result, come back result, and also let's write result. Now let's see. I get up, I go to school, and I come back to home. Look, just an easy way. Instead of those promises, you can use with async and await. If I delete async, it doesn't work, okay? And if I delete await, it doesn't work, because await and async work together like this, okay? Just these two functions executed because these two functions has await like this.